you all the time, the first thing you need to do is put God first, and everything will follow after.
Amen.
I've been looking for a way out. I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back. Never look back. Never look back. No, never look back. Never look back. No, there's no place I'd rather be. 'Cause we're gone when you're staring back at me. 'Cause we're gone.
Guys, what is up? As you see, the birthday girl is here and she's getting her hair done. So today I'm turning her hairdresser and her makeup artist. Yeah, you hot girl get her nails them done. Yeah. You say press on them saying one. Yeah. Fashion sense. And you see her doesn't even look like a press on, girls. Yes, so that's her nail tech here. Yeah, and she's getting her hair done
By me.
by you. So don't mind me, I'm a hot mess, but we have fixed her up. We have fixed her up real good. So we're just gonna set her up for her birthday, because hot girl gets up and don't want to dress up. What do you mean you don't want to dress up? This is the day you're born, so you have to look good. So you know how it goes. Me not let her leave the house without her looking proper. So we're doing our thing and then we go set up real nice, and then yeah, so let me finish doing what I'm doing and I'll get back to you. And oh, for those don't know, welcome to the William fam. What is up? If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the Williams fam, where it is always a vibes over here.
I'm the
Yes,
vibes.
I am going to go show you guys actually upstairs where we finished. It's way midday and I didn't pick up the camera now. I've been running around getting some stuff done. So, and Mr. Memphis over there actually got his hair cut.
My
so
little boy
we're
looks so
fixing up the birthday girl. So wish my niece, this is Juzelle, a happy 17th birthday. Hey, most of us don't live to even see that day. So like I said, every day you live and every year you come around to your birthday, it's a blessing. So make sure you celebrate it. If you don't do anything, even if you just do up your hair and do up your makeup and just look good in your house and in your yard, that is what it's all about. So let me finish get her glam and I will show you guys. Well, as you see, this is the before and y'all gonna go see the after. So, and she's gonna change that too. Come in, I don't know what the hell she put on for your birthday, but she now come out of the house looking like that. All right, guys, so what do you think? This is the look. Yes, birthday girl saying one. Yay. So
but me still back to the account, I still not send the money come. I'm still a weird. 1 year. Yeah, we got two.
So this is the birthday fit. Faith just helping her out.
$5,000 for each shoe.
Lord,
shut up. 10,000 me next one.
So yes, and that is the look, guys. So she's just all black with some cream shoes, and the nails matches the fit. So yes, so you guys seen the before and this is the after. Hey, I ain't no makeup artist, so y'all makeup artists don't come for me, but I hope y'all like the look so far.
Still look good though.
Yeah.
Look better than enough.
All right. Okay, let's do this. All right, guys, all in a day's work. I was a hairdresser, a makeup artist, the photographer, the stylist, everything in one. Now we gotta hurry up and get this place together. So she's gone. So we gotta hurry up and set this place up for when she gets back, because we're doing a little bit of a something, you know, just a little bit of a family thing for her. So may have to go paid and then like I said, TV it up. So we'll look, put myself together a little bit too. So I'm going to go do that as well. Gotta find our card and write it up. Oh, see something here. So yeah, guys, but that was good. So she all nice and dressed up. As a young girl, it's always nice. You put yourself together. put yourself together. I don't know about you ladies out there, but I know when I put myself together, I feel a heck of a lot better. Even when I'm in a bad mood or something, and you know, your hair done, your nails are done, or not even nails, just your hair, your eyebrows is set properly, and your face is set properly, you know, just put a smile on my face. So my room is a mess, so I'm gonna go clean up, and then I'm gonna go shower and come back, and then we're gonna do up this place a little bit. So I'll see you guys soon. Big girl has come. Let me see where it is. Oi. There's a table set up. Late night vibes. Wow. Oh, there we go. Light, let there be light. Abal. Yes. Oh, look at the birthday girl. Oh. Happy tears, happy birthday. Yeah, ruin your makeup, girl. You know, say enough. When you cry, you tap. Always have a napkin. Happy birthday. Oh. Welcome. Yes, we execute it well.
Happy birthday.
No, because like every year, come on, like nobody will celebrate nothing. Like we just sit down and fight each other every year. So this is just.
Yeah. It's the small things in life that matters. It's never the big ones.
That's true.
Joseph! Y'all cry, you've been surprised!
We're gonna do a rooftop party, but the kids them on the edge. Yeah. You really think about rooftop, but because of the kids them. So.
Come and have your seat, girl. Let us begin. You don't have no
Come, see, we even set up a station where, yeah, Lily, you better go fix it, because you see, we set up a station so you could go get your pictures done. Huh? The one here? Turn on the outside light. Tira, I was so not planning for pay domino. Oh gosh. What I say? Happy sweet 17. Aww.
Anybody get out.
Birthday queen. Go ahead and be your birthday queen.
Searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside.
Birthday queen? Birthday queen?
Oh, yes. And
We just want to give God thanks that she is here for her 70th birthday. So we are going to celebrate it with her. I've never done this before, so if my father tries to catch me up.
You hear, Pat? Make sure you catch him.
Well, we're going to do prayer.
Yes, yes.
The girl and the food. Everything in one.
All right.
You know I'm gonna call on you, so don't. Right, so. Well, yeah, we're gonna cut short. We're going to go into prayer now.
Everybody be quiet.
So please be quiet.
Clasp your hands and close your eyes.
Don't turn the balloon, hold the balloon.
Hold it.
Amen.
Amen.
When the floor is open to anyone
Let's eat.
to say something about Juzelle or to Juzelle.
Run the food!
That's how the floor is open. To
All right.
want to say something.
Get the speeches on. So, nobody knows nothing?
I guess me not that important.
Happy
Oh,
17th birthday, Juzelle. Wish you many more years to go.
I just want to say to you, Juzelle, I've known you from your baby until you've grown. So I just want you to continue to be the girl that you are and proceed your goal, okay?
Thank you.
All right.
Backside. What kind of accent that there?
Thank you.
All right.
Well,
People.
well, this is my daughter, as you know. She is a headache. Don't worry yourself. But I just want to tell you how much I love you, how much I appreciate you. Even though at times you get me on the wrong side, but nothing changed. And I always tell you that I want to thank God for growing you up in this beautiful young lady that you has blossomed to be. But you know my thing with you all the time, the first thing you need to do is put God first and everything will follow after.
Amen.
Right? Yep. I always tell you that, and that's my motto for you. So tonight is your night. Enjoy, enjoy, and I love you.
Oh my God.
Don't start crying. Oh God.
I wish you a very happy birthday and pray God bless you, richest blessing upon you, and we should live to see many, many more birthdays. And even though you give me so much problem, I cuss you day in, day out. Just remember that Daddy still love you. Daddy still care about you.
Yeah.
Daddy have the greatest respect for you, but listen, stop the daddy trouble.
Oh.
One more year now for you.
Yeah, love it, love it. Here, let me hold the phone.
Hold the knife. And I say your one.
Hey.
We are going to count at 17. Alright.
So far,
Huh? 17?
think 1, 2, 3 and then cut.
Yes. Alright. We are going to cut the cake at the count of 3. 1, 2, 2.5, 2 and 3/4, 2, 2. Yeah. 1, 3, 2.5. Mommy. 3. Happy birthday, and then we just dive into the food. Yes. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Juzelle. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you now? 17. How old are you now? 17. How old are you now? 17. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, thank you.
May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hooray!
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 Hip hip. Hip hip.
Yay!
Eat food. The sharers, please go on that side. Me.
Where's where Miss Miazi?
More for me.
You can't eat the cupcake.
More for me.
Eat up the cupcake.
All right, who the share? Come on, let's go.
I mine first to share. Me want 1 box of pizza for myself. One.
You're such a darling.
No, wait, no, Auntie Karine will tell you.
Knows me. She knows me.
They say yours separately.
Yes.
Come, who the share?
They say you want food too? The light, the string light, we go put right there, so.
Come.
My Rowan want the bigger light. The light right there, so. Yeah, get it so you can put here, so. Or turn it on. How you go do that? You can't turn it on from there. Bring it down, yeah. Get the light from up there. Yay, so birthday party is going on. Sit there. Extension. I don't know. The car can hang here upon that one. What can I be for Mario?
Empty streets, but I kept searching for your trace in the dark.
fish to get you.
Ah.
Let's take a pizza. You know a pizza?
Chubby chubby.
Come on, let's
Kind of like say we are no one in no
come
out.
take away one Memphis.
You're one man.
Remember to say I feel style.
You're so good to me.
Kiara, you get drinks?
They give 2 pieces and get up.
You know, give me none.
You should know her here.
You should know that table.
Faith get food.
Me don't know what Faith there. Faith? Faith?
What me box, man? What's wrong with you?
So how you get a whole box and it's not your birthday? Eh?
Why do you want to have fandangles? Oh, you eat all of my pizza. You're wicked.
In craving. Eh? How you get a whole box and you not even your birthday?
Nothing like that. What's going to give you none?
Chan.
Come up. Come up. I say Mario a breast man, you know. Mario a breast man. Okay, you've done time.
So, what am I plate? My plate?
Your plate, you're disgusting.
Okay,
It's spicy.
Looking at that one.
Let's see, Zara. Drinks? You're rolling.
Faith? Oh, where did they? Come, they're entering the color. We have food.
Look, man. So what, man? Look, not today one day.
No, but you don't forget none. Happy birthday.
Everybody eat, drink, and be merry.
A barbecue.
No.
I want him there. Alright, well, it's in the book.
Greedy. Greedy than throw puppy.
No, original leg in the
I still away for my money.
Hey, what you want?
I'm still waiting on your birthday gift.
Yeah, we.
I saw your plate, for your plate big.
Hello, hello.
Eh? You're not even the birthday boy and look on for you. Your birthday is next month.
You can imagine.
You can imagine. Your plate where did you get last year bigger than that. Here.
Hello, don't eat too much chicken. Cupcake there.
Ice cream, and whole heap of water, and ice. No, that we hold them, man, because you don't drink whole heap of water.
Drink, Big up, come. What? Chicken.
I'm out full. I'm out full.
Well, you have games, so you don't blame me, you offer, so you know open it.
It's one of that.
Now you have to put some on it. You need one sweater? Put on the music. Yep, good.
And you know, so me can't use the clam on ya. And he tape up it well nice. I know, so me and them clam on ya are no friend. Start with the big gift first. Small one.
Why you couldn't have the small start with the small one?
What no man feet? Yeah, what do?
Teach her well how to wrap gifts properly. Sorry, it's in our Christmas box. That's all we had.
Then, what not wrong with that?
Alright, so the guys, there's a picture session. Right, picture session they go on. And over here, they got the guys them lighting up and they do bamboo. Whoa, shit! You know, see me, I'm gonna drop. God, they got nothing better to do. Yes, a purpose. Whoa!
Mario, you run! Tick for foot, man! I know how to think God! Janai!
Oh, well, after curfew.
Right now, they can't vote. Right now, no, you can't feel like you cough up at me when I go on, so.
Bamboo, I want me to
go, but you don't want to go to sleep. That's not too far. Yeah, too far. But I can put you in there. I put you in there, so.
In the setup day for the movie. Lick your top.
Wait. Go on. Let him go jump now.
Alright guys, it's a late night. We just finished watching the movie. Everybody is moving in. Well, the boxes and stuff are coming in. Everybody gone. We had a great night, so we're actually cleaning up. Don't mind the settings. The camera is blurry. Yeah, so everybody, we just clean up now and we're about to head to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed and join the family. And I guess I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys. Bye.
They are not our fears we see. No one will ever. can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me, die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That inna the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet and how them greet is like real life an interview. That inna the days and now it's every day. You want my